So Sam's Club sells these really big, nice frying pans. Commercial size. Problem is, they don't have a lid. They also sell these aluminum pizza pans, which have this nice rim around the edge, which happens to be just about the perfect size for that. All we need to do is put a handle on it. To find your center of the pan, measure from the outside edge to the outside edge, which in this case is 16 inches. Mark a line at 8 inches. Do that a couple of times around the perimeter, and they will cross right there. Now the handle that I'm going to use, I picked up at Lowe's. This is a stainless steel handle. You measure the handle, and you can get your halfway point. The halfway point between the two holes in the handle is 10.5 centimeters. Using centimeters because it lined up better than the standard side did. So, measuring out half of that distance, which would be 5.25 centimeters, I made a mark on either side, and I drilled 2 holes. It's an aluminum pan, it's real thin, and it took seconds to do. So now we just put the rivet down through the hole. There we go.
Oh.
Now you just put this down on there, squeeze it, and she's on. Turn it around, do the same thing on the other side. And there it is.
Show me the other side.
Nice handle for a pan.